Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today I'm bringing you another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate new hard drives and SSDs that are not showing up on your computer. Let's say you go into File Explorer and open it up. Under this PC, you see your local disk, perhaps your OneDrive and other drives, but the new hard drive or SSD you just installed is not appearing under Devices and Drives. This tutorial will help you resolve that issue. To get started, I'll minimize this window for now. We'll come back to it later. Now, click on the Start menu and type the word Partition in the search bar. You should see an option called Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. It will appear under Best Match and should have a control panel icon next to it. Click on that. It might take a moment for the disk management window to load, so just be patient. Once it opens, you'll see a list of your current drives. If you've installed a brand new drive, you'll likely notice it listed here as an unallocated drive. It will not have a letter assigned to it, and the bar above it will be black. If you're using a new SSD or hard drive, the unallocated size might be close to 1 terabyte or whatever the drive's storage capacity is. Find the unallocated drive in the list. Be careful not to select your primary drive or any other drive that is already set up and working. Once you've identified the correct drive, right-click on it and then click on New Simple Volume. This will open the New Simple Volume wizard. Click Next to continue. The wizard will ask you to specify the size of the new volume. The maximum size and the default simple volume size should already match, so you can leave this setting as it is. Click Next. Next, you'll be asked to assign a drive letter. Windows will automatically suggest the next available letter in alphabetical order. For example, if your existing drives are labeled C and D, the new drive might be assigned E. You can select a different letter if you prefer, as long as it's not already in use. Once you've made your choice, click Next. Now you'll see formatting options. Make sure the file system is set to NTFS. This is the recommended option for Windows drives. Do not change it to FAT or FAT32. Make sure the box next to Perform a Quick Format is checked. Then click Next and finally click Finish. Windows will now format the drive. This process usually takes only a few seconds. Once it's complete, the black bar above the unallocated drive in Disk Management will change to blue, and the drive will now appear as a healthy partition. At this point, you might see a Windows notification letting you know that a new drive has been detected.